In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the UCS icon in AutoCAD. If you've ever been distracted by the little coordinate axis sitting in the corner of your drawing, that's the UCS icon. It's a helpful visual that shows the current orientation of your user coordinate system, but there are plenty of times when you want a cleaner view. Maybe you're taking screenshots, presenting your model, or just maximizing drawing space. Turning it off is quick and completely safe. It won't affect your geometry, your coordinates, or how you draw. It's purely a display preference. Let's start with the fastest method using the command line. Look to the command line at the bottom of AutoCAD, click into it if needed, and type UCS icon. Press enter. AutoCAD will prompt you with options. Type off and press enter again. As soon as you do, the UCS icon disappears from the current view. That's it. If you like working with dynamic input near your cursor, you'll see the same prompt there. Simply choose the off option. This approach is fast, reliable, and works the same way in most versions of AutoCAD. A quick note on what just happened. This change applies to the view you're in. In model space, it hides the icon in the current viewport. If you're working in layouts with multiple viewports, each viewport manages its own display of the UCS icon. That's normal behavior and helps you keep control over exactly where the icon appears. Now, if you prefer using the ribbon instead of typing commands, there's a convenient toggle for that. Go to the View tab at the top of the screen. On the ribbon, find the panel labeled Viewport Tools. In that panel, look for the UCS icon button. When the button is active, the icon is displayed. Click it once to toggle the UCS icon off. You'll see the icon disappear immediately, confirming the change. The ribbon toggle is great if you like visual controls and want a one-click way to manage your display. A couple of tips to keep in mind as you work. If you don't see the button right away, your ribbon may be collapsed or the panel might be scrolled. Expand the View tab to reveal all panels so you can locate viewport tools. Also, remember, you can switch between these two methods at any time. Use whichever is faster in the moment. With that, you've learned two simple, dependable ways to turn off the UCS icon in AutoCAD, by typing UCS and choosing off, or by toggling the UCS icon button on the View tab in the Viewport Tools panel.